What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another little quick tutorial. Now, I have my Samsung Galaxy Active 2 right here in hand. See, nice little smartwatch, and I like this watch. I use it with my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus every day. I wear this just about everywhere I go. Just recently went on vacation, and I had this out on the beach. I had it in the water, no issues, nothing whatsoever. Now, with that being said, I know I'm gonna get a lot of flack about this one, but over here, these are AirPods. Apple meet Samsung once again. Let's check these out. So like I said, this is going to be very quick, very short and simple. So the Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 2 actually has its own memory built into the watch. So I actually have songs, and I'm going to get that up and running. So just go down to my music section, and I have songs right here on the watch. So you can scroll through them, you can do whatever you need to do. Everything looks good. Songs sound good. So my volume is maxed out pretty much. It was at 14, it only goes up to 15, and that sounds really good. I like the sound coming from this. But what we want to do today is we want to connect this to this, so I can show you how that is going to work. So all you have to do is basically activate this screen. There we go. Swipe down from the top, and I'm going to scroll over to this Bluetooth headphone symbol. And it's gonna start scanning, and it's scanning, and it's scanning, and I'm gonna put these in pairing mode. So the white light is blinking, it's scanning, and AirPods Pro popped up right there. So I want to connect those. It is pairing, and it says connected. So it didn't take any time to connect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these and just put it in my ear off screen. And so since we have them connected and everything is a go, turn the sound on, and I actually have sound going in my ear right now. Now I have these set up through my actual iPad. So I customized them through my iPad, and they are working with my Samsung devices. So what I want to do is click, and the music stop. Now I want to double click, and it swaps songs, and double click again, and it swaps songs again. So no issues with that whatsoever as of right now. So music is going to work whether you have these in or out. So music is playing, this is out of my ear, it's still working. Not like Apple devices where it shuts off when you take it out of your ear. But our clicks still work. And if you listen very closely, you can hear those clicks. And then if I do the triple click, everything goes back. Now let's do this. I'm going to click it one time. Music is going to start up. Let's make sure we got our volume all the way up on here. So can you hear that? I'm just holding it right up to the actual device itself. So sound quality is still really good with this. It's in the transparency mode. So I'm going to put this back in my ear, and what I'm going to do is try out the actual transparency mode and the noise cancellation mode. So right now it's in transparency mode. I'm going to hold that down, and it put it in noise cancellation mode. So it actually, all the sound just kind of went dim in my ear right then, and I wasn't able to hear as clearly as I was previously. So that is a little quick tutorial. Now your settings cannot be set up on this, and you know the reason that my AirPods work so well with my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is that I have that app Podroid. So the same features that you get on your Apple device you get on your Samsung phone with the app, but right here there's no app to control this music, so you're gonna get whatever has been preset on the AirPods. Samsung Galaxy Active 2 working with AirPods Pro. An unlikely pair, but they work together and they go well together. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.